Hello students. So our today's topic is voice. Now before discussing the topic voice, we have to know about that what is voice. Voice क्या है? Voice है sounds. जो sounds हम pronounce करते हैं. Okay. It can be a sentence or it can be a phrase or something. Okay. That means जो sound हम pronounce करते हैं that is voice. But in grammar there is some different definition for the term voice. Okay, it is that voice is the form of verb which shows whether the subject acts or acted upon. तो वॉइस क्या है? वॉइस इज द फॉर्म ऑफ द वर्ब which shows whether the subject acts or acted upon. Now let's move to the examples. Just a minute. The hunter killed the lion. Okay, and the next sentence is the lion was killed by the hunter. Now there are two sentences. First one is the hunter killed the lion and second one is the lion was killed by the hunter. ये जो दो सेंटेंस है, ये दो सेंटेंस का मीनिंग सेम है, बट तब अलग क्या है? इसका अलग है फॉर्म. देयर मीनिंग आर सेम बट देयर फॉर्म्स आर डिफरेंट. ओके, नाउ फर्स्ट वन इज द सब्जेक्ट इज द हंटर एंड सेकेंड इन द सेकेंड सेंटेंस द सब्जेक्ट इज द लायन. ओके, now if you noticed then you will find that the hunter is the subject and it is also the doer. It is the subject and it is the doer. किसका doer है? doer means करने वाला. क्या करने वाला? काम करने वाला. यहाँ पे काम क्या है? killed. hunter lion को मार रहा है. ठीक है, तो killed is the verb. Now the hunter is the doer of the verb killed. Killed का doer है the hunter. But in the second sentence verb is killed but the lion is not the doer. The lion is subject. ये जो word है the lion क्या है? lion subject है but it is not the doer. अगर ये doer नहीं है तो क्या है? It is the receiver. receiver. Okay, so the lion is the receiver of the action killed. Okay, so that is the difference between the two sentences. Okay, now first sentence is active voice. Why it is active voice? Because the subject is the doer of the verb killed. The subject is the doer of the verb killed. That means जो subject है वही doer है, जो subject है वही काम कर रहा है, इसीलिए ये क्या है? ये है active. ये verb का subject active है. That is why this sentence, this verb is called active. Okay, and in the second sentence ये जो subject है the lion is not the doer. It is the receiver. ये काम को receive कर रहा है, ये काम को नहीं कर रहा है. दैट इज वाई द सब्जेक्ट इज नॉट एक्टिव. तो अगर ये सब्जेक्ट एक्टिव नहीं है तो क्या है? पैसिव है. ओके, दैट इज ऑल. वी हैव कंप्लीटेड द कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ वॉइस. नाउ वी विल लर्न द पार्ट्स ऑफ वॉइस, दैट वॉइस कितनी तरह का होता है. सो नाउ वॉइस इज डिवाइडेड इनटू टू पार्ट्स. फर्स्ट वन इज एक्टिव and second one is passive. Okay, what is active voice? Active voice is when the subject of the sentence is doer. When the subject of the sentence is doer, that means subject, when the subject of the sentence is doer or actor. Okay, when the subject of the sentence is doer or actor is called active voice. Okay, and when the subject of the sentence is receiver, receiver, or acted upon is called passive voice. Okay, so when the subject of the sentence is doer or actor is called active voice, and when the subject of the sentence is receiver or acted upon is called passive voice. That's all. So concept is clear, and we will move to the rules in our next classes. अगर इस क्लास से ये टॉपिक से कोई दिक्कत है, कोई डाउट है, देन कमेंट सेक्शन में लिखो, ठीक है, एंड आई विल सॉल्व योर प्रॉब्लम्स, योर डाउट्स एंड एवरीथिंग ऑल. थैंक यू.